We're here today at the National Match Shooting Competition for the Long Range Air Rifle. We have Exalian D. Exalian. He's going to be shooting with a air rifle. What make was that, did you say, sir?
China.
Yes, it's a Chinese match air rifle. And he's going to be shooting down here on the other end here. You can see he's got a pine cone set up and an onion. And we would like to also say thanks to the Birdie Busters Shooting Club for the use of their range. They've been very helpful in this. And we will let the show begin. Exalian D. Exalian can take it from here. Oh, sorry, sir.
Watch this. 2 shots. This is good compared to those Korean models.
Wow, what a shot.
Say 2 shots.
What a shot. What a shot. Exalian D. Exalian is going to walk away with the gold medal. We thank you all for coming by today and have a nice day.